So you've been on holidays and you've taken all these videos and now you've compiled it together and made a really good video. Now what do you do with it? You want to be able to watch it. You want to be able to watch it easily. You want to be able to watch it whenever you want to and on demand. But you don't necessarily want to upload it to YouTube either, and you don't necessarily want to put it out into the world for the public to see. You just want it for yourself. So what's the best way for you to be able to see it on demand on your TV at home? Well, probably the easiest way to do it is to use a DLNA server. Don't worry about the word server there. That doesn't mean you have to set up these big buzzing computers and lights and noises and fans and stuff like that. There's none of that. In fact, all you're going to need is one of these, or even just a thumb drive. So most routers have a DLNA server built into them, which means that all you need to do is copy your MP4 files over to your drive and then plug your drive into your router, and then away you go. That's it. That's literally all you need to do. Probably the main things to consider is you need to have a good folder structure so it's easy to find stuff. I rename all the files and put the year and then the title and try to keep them all aligned, because when you're viewing it on TV, you usually got a remote like this, and so you're going up and down. It's not quite as easy as click and drag and all that sort of stuff. So you've got to think of it sort of a nice easy way to find your files. So naming them the right names and naming it in alphabetical and numerical or chronological order might make it easier. Using folders to be able to find stuff if you want to group it. So maybe you want to group your personal trips versus other videos you're making and stuff like that. So cut your files. I just cut my files as though they're going to YouTube. If you're using Apple TV, I recommend using the VLC app, which can search, basically just search for local network. It will find your server automatically, and then you pick it up and then you select it from there and away you go. It's pretty simple. If you're using an Android-based TV, then usually it's built into it. Usually they've got media app, and that will go and search for DLNA servers and you'll find it that way. That's it. Hope that helps. Give us a like if it does, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff about making videos and photography at home. And I think my daughter just fell over. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did you fall over?
No. I just knocked this thing.
Okay.